If you are viewing this mission further down the timeline, on today, September 14th, the daily featured Illustrator symbols. And these symbols are, I called them primitives, cubes, spheres, and cylinders. Except Illustrator's not a 3D program. This is not a cube, this is not a cylinder or a sphere, and that's not a cylinder. They are simulations that are created with shapes and either 3 different colors or transitions from light to dark through the shape, which creates the illusion of 3D, because Illustrator's a 2D program. And yes, it has features that are called 3D and extrude and things like that. Illustrator's not doing that. Illustrator is faking that. Illustrator has an x-axis, horizontal, a y-axis, vertical, but it does not have a z-axis. Z-axis is depth. It comes out towards you. It goes back into the distance. When you create a 3D object in a 3D program, you can rotate that object to see all around it. You can rotate the camera to move all around it. And then you can render out various views of that 3D object. Isometric art in Illustrator is simulated 3D space. There is no perspective. It's isometric. That's the nature of this type of art. And you're probably more familiar with isometric art than you know. When you see more of it, that's beyond the primitives, you can say, oh gosh, I've seen that. Yeah. It's all created with some of the fundamental building blocks I want to get into in this mission. So let's come back and talk about how we dive into this and the gift I have for you to work with your own little blank document, default swatches, default symbols, and the only thing different is I'm going to give you a set of actions.